Welcome back. This is Rosendo Alcaraz, and today we came to Clovis, New Mexico. We're gonna check out the Draggin Main over here, a big event. They've been doing it all week long. Today's the car show. It's already kind of late. Got my little ones with me. We're gonna go check it out. I'm gonna see, instead of showing all the cars, I'm gonna see if maybe we can talk to a few people and tell us a little bit about their cars. A little bit different. Let's check it out.
Hi, my name is Victor Lira, and I have this 1987 GMC Sierra. I got it painted in Portales, New Mexico with Jonathan Baca, Josh Kent. I have the interior was done with Chicho over at Craftmasters. I got some 20s on the front and 22s in the back. I got rhino lined on the back. Got it rhino lined in Portales at Sam's. And my engine is a 350 TBI original engine. And that's basically it. Just choose the colors. My cousin used to have a truck like this back in 1985. And I decided to do my truck identical to his. This is my truck from Clovis, New Mexico.
My name is Luis Valenzuela. This is my square body Chevy 85. He have a lift kit 7 inches. The motor is a original 350 with a transmission is 700. I have a 5 years with my truck. This is my baby.
My name is Shane Ferguson from Elida, New Mexico. Bought this truck 3 years ago, and it's got a 351 Cleveland that's stroked, balanced, blueprinted, bored out 40 over. The paint color, I really don't know, because the people who painted it added their own extra paint in it. It was called, the paperwork I got on it, was called Nissan Imperial Orange, but that's not it. But it's, I drive it a little bit. It's not really to run down the highway because it gets about 8 miles a gallon. I'll tell the kids it's an EG motor, extra gas. But it's a fun little rig. It's gets a lot of people's attention, and that's what I like about it. I like to share it with everybody because it is so beautiful.
My name's Steven Rayner. This is an 86 Chevy C10. It has a 350 CI in it. It's actually out of Roswell, New Mexico. This is one of the cleanest paint jobs I've seen on a C10 in a long time. And we got the bucket seats inside the interior. That's really about it, man. That's really about it.
Yeah, my name is Lee Reyna. Live here in Clovis, New Mexico. I own a 1961 Impala Super Sport Bubble Top. I've had it for 3 years, and it's got the Motor's got the 406, 4-speed Muncie. Got the 331 gears. It's just a very nice driving car. And I picked it up there in Santa Rosa, New Mexico at Route 66 Museum. And I love the car.
My name is Frank Gutierrez. I am from Albuquerque, New Mexico. And this is my 72 K5 Blazer. I've owned it for 30 years. Pretty much that's all I've done. I haven't done nothing to it. That's the way I bought it. So it's all original.
Okay, so this is 66 Dodge Coronet, belonged to my dad. Originally a tan colored car, he had it painted black. Bill's Auto Service here in town did it for him. I can't remember when, but he passed away in 2017 and I've kept it going. So I love the car. I actually have another one at home that I bought before my dad passed away. We wanted to restore so we would have twins. It still needs to be restored. Not able to get it done before he died, but the goal is to still get it done. This purple Challenger 70, bought it a few months ago from my husband's cousin. It's set up for pro street racing. It's got the roll cage in it, 440. Had big racing slicks on the back. It's got nitrous. Of course, we took the slicks off, put regular tires, although they're still wide. So anyway, it's a beautiful car. We love it. And we're still learning about this one because we haven't had it very long, but we're enjoying it. So it's been fun.
My name's Todd. I got a 1971 Chevrolet C10. This truck's actually been in my family for about 40 years. I've had it for the last 30. We actually street raced the truck for a lot of years. Finally blew the motor up in it and it sat for a while. And then decided to go ahead and rebuild it. Needed a lot of work. One thing kind of led to another, snowballed, and ended up frame off and started all over. And here we are, 6.0 LS, a little cam, nothing crazy. Yeah, it's been a lot of work, but it's paying off now. It's been done for about 2 years now, and we get to drive it and enjoy it. Everything's been good, gets a lot of attention. I actually painted the thing myself in my garage. First paint job ever. It's won a lot of awards for best of paint. It's gotten a lot of attention here. First time to kind of be out of Texas. And, it's been a nice little atmosphere here. It's been nice.
A ver, Chiminito.
Say hi, Chimmy.
Say hi, guys. Well, we're gonna wrap it up. It's nice. There's blocks and blocks and blocks and blocks of cars. There's all kinds of vendors. It's a big deal. We were gonna drive through it, but it'll take forever. But just wanted to show bits and pieces. Kids, did y'all have fun today?
I did for sure.
Catherine? Nico? Okay. There's cars like this, beautiful cars like this everywhere, all over the place. Well, we're heading out. See ya.